Oh, I'm having a nice day. No one's here, so that means I'm good. So I'm just good. Slither. Actually, star. Okay. Then out of nowhere. Oh, what's happening? Oh no. I think I had to poison him. This is gonna be really bad. Okay, I'm safe now. Am I walking in midair? No. Wait, I have floating powers, superpowers. Woo! Ow, 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 ow. Hey. Woo! Wow. Don't look at the camera. Are we actually making a YouTube video? Yes. Oh. Who will win this match? Because my mouth is under here. If you don't see. See it is moving? That's my mouth. Just don't worry. One wing shattered. Now there's a new wing. No, what's happening? Yes, I have you now. Now I can grab you. If you got the joy, if I win. If you voted, I would win. You are right. Congratulations. I won this match. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You never will. Oh yeah, idiot. Oh yeah. Whoa! Why did I freeze? I can't talk anymore. My mouth was so shut. I don't use my mouth to talk. I use this golden thing to talk. So if you freeze me, I can still talk. But why am I freeze? Fine, I'm gonna leave then. Yay, I'm free. If you voted, I would win. Yay.